It's your girl again. If you are new in this channel, my name is Maria Omo Family TV. Please subscribe to your girl. Please, when you subscribe, don't forget to hit that notification bell that will always notify you that I'm around, because this channel is all about natural hair and skincare. It's going to be fun. Please subscribe. At the end of this video, if you have any question to ask, please drop it in the comment section down below. I will get back to you. Okay guys, today our tutorial today is how I train my daughter natural hair, how I treat it, and how I got this natural hair. It's so super amazing. So guys, it's what I will be showing we mothers that love, that have passion to train our daughter hair. So today I will be showing you guys the products I use. So guys, stay tuned. Hi people, we are back again. So guys, I will be showing you the product I use for my daughter's hair. It's so amazing. The product I use to moisturize and wash at the same time, because there is no relaxer on this hair. It's just natural virgin hair. So guys, stay with us, and at the end of this video, because I will be treating our hair at the same time, plaiting it today, so I know we all is going to be here together. Are you guys seeing my face now? It's really working. Soon I will be bringing it out, guys. So what I really use for my daughter, what I really use to acquire this amazing natural virgin hair, you can see this is aloe vera. You can see this is aloe vera gel shampoo hair moisturizer. So guys, if you have natural aloe vera in your house, honestly guys, that one will be super amazing, because mine is finished and then I couldn't search for it yesterday, so I was so busy. So I now go for the shampoo. On the normal ground, I will be bringing it how I really do it with the natural shampoo, the natural aloe vera, how I squeeze the gel to use it to moisturize my kids hair. Honestly, it's very super amazing. So I don't have it at home, that's why I go for this one. Is still super amazing because I've been using this for long. I started it with this before I now discovered the real aloe vera gel myself. So guys, stay tuned and watch how I treat my daughter hair, because today I will be taking a little one from the tip, because the tip is weak. As you can see, I will be taking a little one before I moisturize. So stay with us. Okay guys, here I go. So guys, after that, then I will be showing you the oil, the magic oil I use for my kids hair. So guys, I'm coming. So guys, I'm back. If you really want your kids hair to grow fast, guys, no, let me moisturize first. That would be more better. So here is my so guys, I will put a little one to my bowl. Then I will apply it just like the way you apply relaxer. Yeah. It's for kids especially. It's really super amazing. Those that have kids, honestly, when you use this method for your children hair, you will love it. Aloe vera gel, you use it to moisturize their hair. And especially if you have the real aloe vera, the one that they didn't add anything to, you will use the gel yourself. I will be bringing it soon because next week I will go out and session it. So, and when you apply it natural like that, after using the gel to your daughter's hair, you will, before 2-3 months, you will love your daughter hair. He prevent locking hair, he make it glow, and he give him a weight. So aloe vera is very good for kids hair. So guys, this is what I've been using for my kids hair. When you see their hair, it's very amazing, very, very beautiful, long as well. This is what I have been using. Then you match it together like this to help the down one push more. When you do it like this and plait your kids hair, and after this I'm going to, after washing, stop it, after washing I'm going to show you guys the amazing oil so much I've been using for my kids. That oil is so super amazing, so super amazing. So I will be taking a little one because the more you trim your kids hair, it helps the hair grow fast. Honestly, trust me, call your name. It helps the hair grow fast. If you are just new in this video, please, it's not relaxer, it's aloe vera gel. It's aloe vera gel. I don't have relaxer to my kids' hair. No, I don't like it. When she grow up, if she wants to put relaxer by herself, she can go ahead and do it herself. So I want to take a little one from the tip because it will help the hair grow fast. I've been doing it for long, so it's not a new thing to me, so I know how it goes. Today I will be making her hair. You know, school now, so kids need to look good, not tattered. They need to look good when they are going to school. And this aloe vera gel, guys, it really makes the hair soft, especially for those kids that cry, they want to make their hair. When you use this aloe vera gel to moisturize their hair, apply this amazing oil to it. When you are making their hair, they will be gisting with you. I call it magic. Because the other of my daughter, when you are making her hair, she's the type that cry when you are making her hair. So guys, that is how it goes. You know, kids' hair, when you don't treat their hair, oh, you will look it that, my daughter hair is not growing, look at how it look like. No, especially those kids, because they have a lot of vitamin in their body. Then you need to give their hair vitamin too, that will help it grow fast. Yes. Sorry, darling. This comb is very small. Where is your afro comb? So guys, then I will match it together and leave it for just few minutes, then I wash. I don't need to wash with shampoo because this aloe vera gel shampoo is very amazing. So guys, then I will cover it for some minutes, then I will wash. So guys, yeah, please subscribe to Your Girl YouTube channel. We have a lot to offer, and if you are part of this family, may God Almighty bless you. If you are not part of this family, what are you still waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe. Please don't forget to hit that notification bell. Share. Please give your girl a thumbs up. And if you have any question, drop it in the comment section down below. I will get back to you. Thank you. We will be back. Yeah, people, we are back again. So we just finished washing. So you don't need to apply shampoo to it anymore because it's already shampoo itself and moisturizer. So you don't need to add anything to it. Just to apply it to your kids' hair, then you wash after a few minutes. So we have done that. We have washed, and now I want to show you guys the magic hair growth, the super amazing, I call it magic hair growth because it really worked for me and my kids. So I love it with passion so much. So guys, I will be showing you guys the oil. Here is the oil. You can see, you can take note of it. Hair oil. This is very super amazing. It hair grow fast. It prevents losing of hair. It make it glow. I love it so much. So you can take note of it. Those mothers that train their kids natural hair, this oil is so super amazing. You can use it to make any oil of your choice. I will be making it after my daughter lose this hair, the next treatment, then I will be using this oil to make another oil again. Then I will still bring it out for you guys to see because he really works. Because my daughter, she's just 4 years, and this when she completed 7 months, we barber her hair. So after a 1 year birthday again, I barber it again before I started it. Let me say this hair is just barely get it to 2 years I started this hair. Yeah, you can see how the hair long and it's very soft at the same time. So this is what I've been using. So if you love to grow your kids natural hair in a very easy way, guys, follow this channel because I have 2 daughters, so I make their hair. Even the other of my daughter, she cry when I'm making her hair, but I find the magic. I have found the magic, so she don't cry anymore. So guys, it's really good to treat kids hair. And one thing again before I forgot, don't apply dryer to your kids hair. Honestly, it's not nice, it's not good. For me, I don't use dryer on my kids hair. I don't. When I started it from the beginning, I used dryer for a while. Later I said no, let me stop and see. Then I started leaving it like that. When I wash it, I will leave it to dry before I will plait it. When I use that method, trust me guys, I really got what I want. So I've applied this my magic oil. So now I will comb it because I will be plaiting it. You know, school now, kids, they have resumed school. So you see how it's soft. You see how it's soft. Honestly, this oil is very good. You see how it's soft. Please guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel. When you subscribe, don't forget to hit that notification bell that will always notify you I'm around. And please give your sister a thumbs up, like and share this video to any of your family that love to grow natural hair. Please, at the end of this video, if you have any question to ask, please don't forget to drop it in the comment section down below. I will get back to you. Sorry, baby. So guys, I've applied the oil to it, then I will leave it to dry then before I will plait it. So guys, stay tuned please. We have a lot to offer in this family channel. Subscribe, and as you do so, may God bless you. Hi everyone, we are back again. So guys, I want to start the hair now. This is what I will be needed. Here is our rubber band, little fancy rubber band, and this is our black rubber band. So these two things is what I will be needed in this hair, and our magic hair grow oil. I don't forget this. So it's what will be needed. So stay tuned with us. Oh, before I forget, please subscribe to your girl YouTube channel, and when you subscribe, don't forget to hit that notification bell that will always notify you that I'm around. And the end of this video, if you have any question to ask, please don't forget to leave it in the comment section down below. I will get back to you. Thank you as you do so, and may God bless you. So I will apply a little one to the hair shade that I just shared. Voilà, fais comme ça. Maman, just respect yourself, please. Bend down your head. Not like that. Like this. So guys, here we go. And when you are plaiting your daughter hair, please don't forget to always add this oil to the hair where you share. Then you comb the tip with your hand first to avoid lost hair. Then before you now comb it with your little comb, you can see. With that, you will not lose any of your daughter hair. Please subscribe. Here we go. So you stay with us, please. At the end of this video, don't forget, if you have any question how it goes, definitely I will explain it to you better. Thank you as you do so, and may God bless you. If you are part of this family already, thank you so much. If you are not part of this family, what are you still waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe. We have a lot to offer in this family channel, and if you subscribe, don't forget to hit that notification bell that will always notify you that I'm around. Thank you as you do so, and may God bless you. So here we go. Try to watch this video to the end so you will understand more better how to treat your kids' natural hair. Can you see my daughter hair? And if you are the type that love to grow your daughter natural hair, to learn how to plait your daughter natural hair, guys that want to learn how to give your daughter that natural look, follow this channel and subscribe to this channel. You will learn and you will gain a lot. Thank you as you do so. So stay with us. Le concours s'apprécie encore plus avec des silences. Voici des expériences sur place possibles à partir de 4 réalisateurs dans achat en besoin nécessaire sur Citroën.fr. Citroën. So guys, at the end of this video, I will show you the look of this hairstyle. Thank you. Yeah, people, we are still on it, we are almost through anyway. Please subscribe to your girl, like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, share and subscribe. How to treat your kids' hair. Still on it.
Aujourd'hui, Cathy, Laura et Patrick m'ont vraiment bluffé. Et ils connaissent nos fiers. Mais j'ai encore du boulot. De l'identité du restaurant, en passant par la carte, tout va se faire. C'est une nouvelle journée qui commence à payer. Hier, Cathy, Laura et Patrick m'ont prouvé qu'ils sont professionnels et capables de gérer un gros service. Mais je pense qu'ils doivent prendre le recul sur leur situation. Alors j'ai réfléchi.
Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell that will always notify you that I've uploaded a new video. Thank you as you do so. Bend your head like this.
Pour continuer à lui montrer ce que on est capable de faire.
Bend your head like this.
Bonjour tout le monde. Bonjour cher Fatou. Ça va? Impeccable.
So after finishing the hair, I will design it with the band. I will design it with that rubber band I show you guys from the beginning of this video. Thank you guys as you stay tuned and enjoy this video. May God bless you.
On va commencer par le service de suivi, mais finalement il n'aura pas. Vous avez 15 minutes pour faire OM et sortir de ce restaurant. Vous allez me donner les clés et puis on va se lancer.
Julien continue à faire mes enfants.
Nous, Julien. Julien, stop. Ah, j'ai pas eu.
Subscribe to your girl YouTube channel, Maria Omo Family TV. Please, if you are new here, my name is Maria Omo Family TV. Please subscribe to this amazing family channel. Please, we have a lot to offer. It's all about how to grow natural hair and body care. A lot of things we'll be doing here, and how to tie igele, makeup and all will be taking place in this channel. So stay tuned. Put your head there.
Cet après-midi, j'ai décidé de passer du temps avec lui. Le premier jour, c'est quand même bouleversé.
Any mother that wants to grow her daughter natural hair, you can go for this oil. Go for this hair oil. It's very super amazing. You can use it to make Maria, please stop. You can use it to make any oil of your choice.
J'ai donné rendez-vous à Patrick au gymnase. Je n'ai pas oublié ce qu'il m'a dit tous les jours. Moi, je te dis, par exemple, moi, parce que là, c'est tout pour moi.
So guys, at the end of this video, you will see the look of this hair. It's so super amazing. It's very beautiful. At the end, you guys will see the look. I will bring it for you guys to see. Bend your head this way. This way, like this. This way, like this. Please subscribe to your girl YouTube channel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share and like. If you have any question, please drop it at the end of this video. Please drop it in the comment section down below. I will get back to you.
Bonjour les clients et le chef, je comprends que je suis en train de revivre ce que j'ai vécu quand moi j'étais jeune et que je n'arrive pas à participer à New York. Allez, tu t'es marqué à l'année. Bonjour. Allez, bon.
Cette journée, c'est super parce que je joue avec les papas qui me font bien.
Hola.
Ça fait vraiment une méga raclette.
Sorry guys. When you share the hair, remember to apply this oil to the parts that you share. It will help the egg grow fast as well. Please relax your hair like this, please. Okay?
Mais il faut savoir couper un petit peu aussi. Voilà. C'est ça la partie. Et tu m'en as parlé, tu m'as dit, c'est ça, c'est ton père, il avait
It's long I've been using this oil. I refuse to change the oil because it's so lovely. Especially for my kids' hair. Because this my daughter, I have a lot of undergrowth. This hair is really, this oil is really helping me. Please stop. You will soon done, okay? Okay? So that you go and play. I know you are tired, so you have to make your hair. Monday is school, okay? Just say hi, guys. Say hi, people. Hola, you are shy. You don't want to say hi to mommy's subscribers. Be nice, girl, please. Yeah, say hi, people. Go ahead and say so. Say subscribe. Yeah, say so. Say hi, guys. Ah, my girl is shy. Oh la la. If it is your sister now, you will say hi, guys. It's alright. So, guys, at the end of this video, honestly, I will bring the look for you guys to see. Please give this video a thumbs up. May God bless you as you do so. So guys, we are back again. So I just finished the back now. This is the look. I just finished the back. Tom, please, I'm so sorry. Okay, no, come this way. I just finished the back now. This is the back. So I want to apply this fancy rubber band to the tip and the beginning of the hair. So I will be bringing out the look for you guys to see. So it's really in a very easy way because I just discovered this. This is the rubber band I will be using. I just discovered this method because I normally put beads. I normally pad beads to the tip of the head. But school now, when he go to school, when he come back, he will just remove all the beads. So they started complaining. They said I should look for another, if I love to do it, that I should look for another method. So I just sit down and say, what will I do now? So I just let me try this method. And I tried this method. Guys, trust me, I love it. So I'm just applying the rubber to it now. That will bring out that beauty, that will make it look nice. So guys, at the end, I will bring it to you. I just want to teach you guys to know how it starts. Not that I will just bring out the end. You won't understand it because I want all of us to learn. I want us to learn as well. So I said, let me stop shaking, please. Turn your back to the camera. Turn your back like this to the camera. Let me push the camera back a little bit. Turn your head like this. So guys, this is how it goes. So after finishing it, if you want to design your kids hair with the rubber band, you take it like this. It's really beautiful, very, very beautiful. This is my, sorry darling, this is my favorite hairstyle, simple hairstyle for my angel, especially if it's going to school. I love this simple style because if I put beads, trust me, before 3 days those beads is gone. I don't know why. My daughter will just remove everything and throw them away. Anytime I went to pick her in school, they will be giving me those things. It's really annoying me. You know, when you make your daughter look beautiful, at the end of the day she will come back home with I don't know how to put it anyway. She will come back home. It's really annoying. And the mistress will be giving me, madam, please wait, your daughter just removed the bead that you put on her hair. When you ask her, she will say, mommy, it's my friend that removed it. So it's really annoying. Then I discovered this method. This one, no, they can't remove this one. I'll be using it. They can't remove this one. So at the end, stay tuned, please. If you have any question to ask, don't forget to drop it in the comment section down below. I will get back to you. At the end, I will bring out the look for you to see. Okay? Hi, people. Hi, everyone. We are back. We have done. This is the look of the hair. Oh, sorry, baby. Are you guys see how my daughter hair long? Very long hair. Raise your hair, baby. Show them your hair. Are you guys seeing? Yes, I will separate it. Don't worry, I will separate it. Are you guys seeing how the hair long? Very long. So guys, this is the look of the hair. Very simple hairstyle. Very simple, 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 simple. So I did not put beads on the tip of the hair, because when I put beads, my daughter will just all the beads all you have lost everything. When I put bead, when she go to school with that bead, she won't come back with it, and she will remove everything. Even if I went to go and pick her in the school, the auntie will be giving me the bead. So it's so annoying, you know. So I now find out this method, so I started using this rubber band. So this is rubber band, not bead. Very nice. So baby, turn your head. So this is the look of the hair. So we have done. This is the look, mothers that love to train natural hair. So this is the look of the hair. So very simple style, very simple, so amazing, so beautiful. So this is the look of the hair. Wow, baby, you have changed. Your face have changed, your look have changed. So this is it. So the secret behind this long hair is this hair oil. This hair oil is so super. You know your hand? Go look like this. This oil is so super amazing. And this is the band that I just put on the tip. These two things is what I use in this hairstyle. Oh guys, if you are just coming new to my video, or you just come across my video new, please, my name is Maria Omo Family TV, and subscribe to your girl. When you subscribe, don't forget to hit that notification bell that will always tell you that I'm here. Omo with her daughter is here again. At the end of this video, please, if you have any question to ask, please don't forget to leave it in the comment section down below. I will get back to you. And if you really want to know how those products work, drop it in the comment section down below. I will, if it is to make video for you to understand it very well, definitely your humble girl will do it. I love you guys. I love you, I love you, I love you guys. Please subscribe. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like and share. See you in the next of my video. Love you. Bye.